exploded, man.
I'm really diamond, and I'm shining bright, cause I'm really grinding.
Recording camera 1. All right, everything's all set up. Oh, just so you guys can see that I'm not lying, there's not
What's up, everybody? It's your buddy here. New buddy. First time on YouTube with my brother. Vlogging this shit. Oh shit.
Yeah, now let's go check that out. I thought I was gonna explode. That was a fail. That was a fail. God damn.
Yeah, it was.
I thought I was gonna explode. I should have probably put some tape around there or something. Well, there you have it. I'm sorry. I'm gonna go home and make a fucking M80 and I will be back, right? Till next time. Alright.
Cooked it. Holy shit.
Actually,
It's still sparking in there.
there's fucking, I think there's one more shell in there. Hey,
Yeah,
don't
it's
get-
still sparking.
Hey, there's still one shell in there. There's still one shell in there. I'm gonna leave the pumpkin right here and it's fucking cracked, so it's not gonna fucking work.
leave it there.
Holy shit. It's not gonna work. I swear there was one more shell that didn't explode. I only heard like 4. Nah, that was it.
Yep, that was it.
Alright, let's smash the pumpkin. Smash the pumpkin, smash the pumpkin. Let me see. Hey, watch out, watch out. Let me see. I'm gonna step on it. I'm gonna see what these Tims could do. No, turn it on the time.
Man, what just exploded, man?
I busted my shit. Oh, I didn't even record that my other camera. Oh, fuck my ass and my hands.
Okay, man?
I busted my shit. Oh shit. We're gonna leave this pumpkin as it is. Fuck this pumpkin for fucking making my bitch ass fall and fucking bleed and shit. Alright guys, we're leaving, alright?